Either way, there's extra money sitting with the IRS or your state. And the question is, how do you move it? Let's start with payroll tax. If you've overpaid payroll tax, say you accidentally entered the prior year out of habit when a new year has begun, you can either request a refund or ask for the overpayment to be applied to the next quarter. This usually involves calling the tax agency or writing a letter. If you receive a notice, you can respond to that document and return it specifying how you want the credit handled. When it comes to sales tax, the process really depends on the state. In some cases, you can log into the state's tax portal and apply the credit to the next return directly. In other states, you may have to submit a formal request to move the payment, or calling by phone, or through a written letter. Credits in one period usually aren't automatically applied to another period with a balance due. What about income tax payments? For income tax, you have the option to apply the overpayment to next year's estimated taxes. This is common when filing the annual return. You'll see a section asking if you want a refund or if you'd like the excess applied forward. If the overpayment was from a prior estimated payment, be sure to track the IRS account transcript to confirm it's been applied correctly, because mistakes can and do happen. You'd hate to think you have a credit requested to be applied to a different period and then later learn there was a posting error and the amount was due back when it was paid. Moving it would result in interest and penalties for the balance being underpaid back in the period that it was moved out of. Let me share one example of a recent situation that occurred.